call him Lucas.
Alrighty, hello everybody, how's it going? It's me Lucas. How are you? Right? Hi, welcome back to my little cooking kitchen thingy that I'm making my breakfast. I thought I will share with you how my English speaking. I got very much subscribe and like the video. Yeah, if you would like me to make more videos like this, like cooking videos, let me know in the comment if you are enjoying them. Anyway, so it's morning and I'm about to make my breakfast, and I thought I will show you my favorite breakfast, which is croissant with avocado and egg. Oh yeah, a croissant, which is 2 days old, but in the oven and with all of it will be fine. I like to add a little bit chili, egg, avocado. I used avocado yesterday and I put it in a cling film so it doesn't go brown. So this is half avocado. Salt and pepper. You need salt for avocado, otherwise avocado doesn't taste good, okay? Anyway, let's preheat the oven while we're doing it. Let's take this. I forgot the name of it. What is it called? I keep forgetting. Let me know, people. Leave a comment. How do you call this? Anyway, let's take the avocado, which is looking brown anyway. Look at that. Fucking Anyway, one day I'm gonna kill myself. We need a chopping board. See? Look, that's so bad. Ew. Okay, that's lovely. That's better. And squeeze it if it's soft, like really well ripped, which is really, you can see it's really soft. You can just squeeze it in, and you take this and you clean it and you clean it. Look how nice and clean it is now. People use spoons to do that, but I use this. Now you put salt. No, don't put salt. Put chili if you want to. If you don't want to, then you don't. Oh shit, that's too much. No, just a little bit, okay. You see, oh, just like this, you put in there. Shift machine to mix it, paste. Back to me. How are you? How you doing? You're right. Okay, that's done. Fresh croissant to the oven. Eggs, preheat on dip them. I forgot about wait croissant later. Actually no, you can do the croissant. Yeah, it's fine. You need pan, abracadabra. I forgot you need also butter, whatever you're using. I'm using olive spread, and and I forgot another ingredient which is important, which is cheese, which you will put it on top of the egg. Put this to the pan. How are you? You're right. How are you? Okay, let's do this. Now we just have to wait for the pan to heat up, and yeah, wait. I'm dirty. And so let me tell you, if you are new to my channel, my name is Lucas. I'm short, weird, and I make weird videos. I started making videos last year with fake stupid magic parodies of Britain's Got Talent and American's Got Talent. So if you like stupid people, stupid comedy, silly comedy, and you get my jokes, then go and check out my videos from last year. And now I'm making cooking videos, and I will be doing some magic stuff as well in public, maybe, who knows. And yeah, the pan is ready, so let's egg, a white egg. Now you put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Shit, a little bit too much pepper. You cover it like this. If you don't know how to cover eggs, that's No, the croissant is burnt. No. Why? That's the burnt. Got this croissant, open it. After it's hot. And a fucking. Okay, very crispy, very fresh, you know, fresh out of the oven, yeah? Avocado. Avocado. I like using spoon when I'm doing this because it takes, when I'm like taking something out of the bowl, because it's so round. You can like, you see, you can like take everything. And with knife, it's just so annoying. You see what I'm talking about? And with spoon, you take almost everything. As we said, you need avocado, you need salt for avocado. You put cheese, put it in half, and you put like here, and like here, so it's gonna melt below. Voila. I like to open the egg. It's ain't, okay, that's overdone. But I like to put it when it's not hard egg like this. When the yolk is soft, I like to like open it and spread it so we have like an eggy kind of egg everywhere. But if we don't, then it's like dry like this, which is still fine. But and we cover it, and there you have it. My favorite breakfast: avocado, egg, cheese, croissant. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna eat it now. Yeah, that's behind my face so we can see it. Look at that. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Thumbnail. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comment. Wow, that looks nice. Or what the fuck are you doing? Leave a like and subscribe if you would like to see more magic. No. Subscribe if you would like to see more cooking videos like this. And I will also upload another videos, magic in public. So subscribe for me if you want to see me more. I mean, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos of me being me weird. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go and eat it. Have a nice day, have a nice week, or have a nice life if I will never see you again. And or actually if you will never see me again, because I can't see you. So if you want me to see you, then comment. I know your name at least, or whatever username you have. Peace.